we're going to get Mentos and then put them in here and put the lid back on and then then we put Mentos and then we get it and then throw it like that and go. And make sure to watch my coolest videos. My bottle flipper one. So do you mind if you go and get like the bottle watching the ounce? And get it, please.
Okay, sir.
And get it. So this is how good I am at bottle flipping.
Ah, you missed that one. Oh yeah, you got one.
Get it, don't know the Mentos. Okay. These are all over
Are you going to explode? Here's some sellotape.
No.
And then we've got to stick them all in onto the sellotape. Here we have
Oh, yeah, another
massive. This is going to go into that bottle, and then it's going to up and not that one.
I'm going to put this in there, and then it's going to explode.
Okay, well we better go outside then, because we are not doing this in the house. Kids, never try this at home, only outside, because it's going to be crazy. So Arlo, what are we going to do?
We're going to make that into here.
Okay, right, so carefully take off the lid.
I don't know how to, it's too hard.
Alright, I'll do it for you. Right, so carefully take off this lid, because we don't want it fizzy yet.
How can you do it?
1 second, right.
I'm going to run away. Eat it, guys. Oh.
They're not all in there.
Yeah.
Spat them out.
Spat them all out. No, that's not what you do. You hit it from the bottom.
What's this? Like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, it didn't work. No, it's too, they're not, the Coke's all gone. Try and put the lid on really quick. You videoing?
Yes.
Go on, throw it. We'll do one more. So that's a bit of a fail with throwing in the air, but we know.
No, but it's not a fail of kicking it. And the thing went off.
Not sure that's what you're supposed to do.
You do.
Spraying everywhere, that one. Turned up. It's Max. One last try. We're going to try a smaller thing of Mentos, right?
It's not going to work.
Right.
Need more of these. Let's finish the back. What's this? Here we go. open
Fly
it.
there, fly. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Wrecking ball. Now let's open it.
Do not try this at home, kids. Champagne shower.
Yes! Whoa!
Oh, look at him. Look at the state of Max. It's like the two silliest kids in the world joining forces.
I'm too